All right, guys, welcome to an episode of When I'm Not Working, I'm Fishing. You'll have to forgive me if I make a lot of pauses in my sentences right now because I'm concentrating. What am I concentrating on? Well, you guys probably should already know, because this is like a behind the scenes of a video you've already watched, but I'll definitely explain that to you guys in a second. All right, that should be good. All right. Nope, we got to go back just a little bit more. All right, that should be good enough. Yeah, we're definitely good. All right, so voila, guys. That's what we're doing now. You guys have seen this with the deck on it, but this is a little kind of behind the scenes. The carpet is actually drying right now, so I decided to take this thing out for a nice little test drive. Yeah, and this is the first time I'm actually launching the boat, so if I end up messing something up, you guys are gonna get to see that firsthand. Hopefully I don't mess anything up. All right, we're good, we're definitely good. Okay, so, give her the old pusheroo. Oh, almost. Oh, there we go. I think. Are we off? Are we off? Come on. This way. Yeah, we're not off the boards yet. There she goes. Don't put my hand in any duck crap, that would suck. Oh, don't take out my fishing rods. There we go. I am actually pretty proud of myself for remembering the plug, you guys. I got to admit, that was like my biggest fear. All right, just don't go anywhere, boat, okay? I don't know why I talked to the boat. All right, now here's the tricky part, because I have a manual transmission and my microphone freaking fell. Sorry about that. Probably making all kinds of nasty noises. All right. Uh-oh. Like a boss. Yeah, I know I left my handbrake on. Did that on purpose. That was me launching a boat for the first time. And it happens to be my own boat, you guys. Very, very nice. Well, there she is. I don't have a name for her yet, so we're just gonna call her the Betty, because that's what the previous owner called her. She's listing to one side because of the fuel tank, in case anybody's wondering. She floats. She doesn't have any leaks. This is the first time I'm putting this boat in the water, you guys, if I didn't mention that. Stick that up there. Okay. Oh, skag's hitting the ground. That's not good. Get off my engine. Oh, I got a tree. Whoa, we gotta clear that. Ew. All right, let's get in first. We're in the boat. All right, let me clear this engine. I gotta get everything adjusted. This is the first time, guys, literally the first time. All right, so that's good. Let's deal with the motor. Holy crap. We good? All right, actually, there we go, cleared itself. Perfect. So, guys, we got a boat. So I bought this boat from this really freaking nice dude named Cody. Lives up in like Wellington, West Palm Beach area. And he had a 15 horsepower Yamaha on this. It was like a 2000 and I don't know, like an 03 or an 04 Yamaha 15. But I saw the boat and it was a good deal, but I didn't want to buy it because it came with the engine, because I have this engine that you see behind me, this Yamaha 9.9. Now guys, this Yamaha 9.9, you know this engine. Choke on, watch this guys. This should be one pull, two pulls. All right, kill switch is engaged. Yeah, we're good. Oh, I ran it out of gas, so it doesn't have any gas in the carb. And there it is, she's running. It is one pull when you actually remember how to use this thing. So let's get the hell out of here. Well, we're underway. Oh my gosh, this is a very, very surreal moment for me, you guys. Very surreal. This is my own boat, my first one. I made this happen, not anybody but me. Just gonna let the motor warm up, and then we'll go a little bit faster. There's a particular spot that I want to get to and fish real quick. See if I can get the first fish on this boat while I'm doing my when I'm not fishing, I'm working. So yeah, I bought this boat from Cody. He actually let me buy it without the engine. I asked him if he would mind selling it without the engine, and he was actually like, yeah, no problem. He goes, I need this boat out of my garage. And then this engine, I bought this 9.9 Yamaha from Scott Rose 2.5 years ago. That is how long I've been anticipating getting a boat. This looks so good. Still no leaks? Yeah, no leaks so far. All right, let's kick it up a little bit to like a fast idle. I just want to get over to where I'm going. So yeah, this motor is sat for forever, and I got it running in a garbage can the other day. It literally took 2 pulls and it started right up, no problems. This trolling motor I picked up off of an OfferUp, had a little bit of a wake. Yeah, I got a great deal on this Enduramax. I really wanted the Enduramax because of the variable speed. Yeah, this entire boat was basically not a Craigslist, but an OfferUp build. So crazy. Got an amazing deal. The motor too was a super amazing deal. This motor only has roughly about 40 hours on it. I think Scott said it was maybe 44. It's a 2016 Yamaha 9.9. The freaking trolling motor is like a year old. I got the battery with the trolling motor. Basically, the price that I paid for the trolling motor, and the battery was, I pretty much got the battery for free. If you look at it, in terms of the price that I paid. Ooh, here we go, guys. If he didn't lose it, this is a big fish. This is a freaking giant. No, it's not, he's just wrapped. Okay, I thought it was a giant. Still a really nice fish. And this is the first freaking fish on the boat. This is the first fish on the boat, you guys. Lots and lots of power. Let's see if we can grip him with the scale before he breaks me off. Did I hit the button? Okay, good. Okay, how do I do this? I should have just, once I get this thing set up more, I'll boat flip this guy, but come on, open up. Open up. You know what it is? His mouth is wrapped, so he can't open up. Please don't freak out, you little freaking beast. Got him. There it is. Oh, don't break my rod. He broke my rod. Damn it. He broke my freaking rod. Dude. Oh, man. Well, that was short-lived. That's snakehead fishing for you. Shoot. Okay, well, let's get him unhooked. This is freaking killing me. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. This guy is so wrapped. I wasn't even reeled up tight to this fish. I honestly wasn't. He just freaking death rolled all my line in. All right, so let's do this. So now he can death roll my hand and not my rod. Just calm down, okay? Stop. God, this one is freaking ferocious. Well, we got him attached to the scale, so let's get a freaking weight. Oh my gosh, what a damn nightmare. Scale zeroed. Not even 5 pounds, and this freaking dude is just a beast. Get out of here. Well, that's nice. I knew I would get one back here. All right, let's look at the damage. I already know the damage. So, there it is. Instead of a 7.3, it is now a 7.1. Great. Guys, I just realized we got a souvenir from that fish. So, he took something of mine, I took something of his. Eye for an eye. There we go. All right, let's cruise out of here. What's up, man?
You're Eric from Flow Bass, right?
That's me.
Cool. I love your videos, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, this is like first time anybody's ever recognized me before. Really? Yeah, dude. What's your name, man?
Bryce.
Bryce, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.